Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a pulse-pounding race against time happening right here in Australia. Imagine this. One of our major dams is on the brink of failure, threatening communities, ecosystems, and our very way of life. It all started when routine inspections revealed significant wear and tear in the dam's structure, much like the recent scenarios seen at Isabella Dam and Round Butte Dam in the US. You see, just like in those cases, the integrity of a dam is crucial not only for water storage, but also for the safety of thousands, if not millions, of people living downstream. Now you might be wondering, why should we care? Well, imagine your hometown suddenly facing the threat of flooding, water supply disruptions, or even ecological disasters. It's not just about avoiding a catastrophic failure. It's about protecting lives, preserving our environment, and ensuring a sustainable future. In response, experts have been mobilized, working around the clock. They're employing advanced technology and engineering marvels, much like the swift action taken at Round Butte Dam to mitigate impact on local boating and wildlife. The goal? To reinforce and repair the dam before the rainy season kicks in, turning a potential disaster into a testament of human ingenuity and resilience. What's inspiring here is the community response. Just like in Scranton, where locals rallied to address the pollution in Roaring Brook, communities here are banding together, monitoring the progress, and supporting each other. It's a powerful reminder of what we can accomplish when we unite for a common cause. So here's the takeaway. While the situation is critical, it's also a moment filled with potential for innovation and heroic efforts. It's about turning crisis into opportunity, ensuring safety, and enhancing our natural resources. I'll keep you updated on this thrilling journey of engineering, community spirit, and environmental stewardship. Remember, it's not just about fixing a dam, it's about securing a future. Stay tuned, and let's watch this incredible story unfold together. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to EpicEliteTens for more updates and stories like this one. Your support means the world to us.